Hello friends, how are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, my new videos, my lecture on my class, total guidelines of search engine optimization and digital marketing, social media marketing. Very important present time in the world. The mobile marketing is a very important marketing. I can presentation mobile marketing. Friends, the mobile marketing present time the world with very important marketing, search in optimization and digital marketing. Very important platform is the smartphone and digital marketing. Mobile marketing present time the highly marketing success your any business, any platform, any e-commerce business, any your website, web page, and etc. etc. A lot of business successful in mobile marketing. I can some definition my class, my lecture, my tutorial, the presentation, the motivation tutorial, the mobile marketing definition and mobile marketing work and mobile marketing versus traditional marketing, advanced and de-advanced mobile marketing, and start the mobile marketing business, set up a mobile website, start your business location, brand platform, start mobile ad campaign and utilize the SQ code, explains of mobile marketing, etc etc. But I can presentation the important topics present my videos and presentation. The mobile how to mobile marketing and mobile marketing versus traditional marketing, and mobile ad campaign and mobile marketing advanced and advantage and de-advantage, etc etc. Present some details my videos. The first time your my videos lot of definition of mobile marketing, I can read some point and present. What is the mobile marketing? Mobile marketing is a development actual that the promote product and service, mobile device and search tab, and the smartphone likely feature the mobile technology including location and service. 10 marketing campaign has been the inclusion local. Just mobile marketing definition how to work. Mobile marketing many including promote set is the SMS, SMM text messaging, MMS multi messaging, MMS multi messaging, draw apps, mobile apps using the through the process notification and apps, gram marketing, thoughts and website and SQ code, remakes and location based service and alert and geographics, location, premise and service provide. Mobile marketing independent the companies large and small mobile device and happy because the unique take the place step the brand and companies. Mobile advertising targeted audience must be demography by behaviors and place part success and the part on iPhone user trend and old orders. One the motors and mobile marketing scanner, which is the one the mobile made on the benefits and sex in mobile. In mobile marketing device especially seen in Jeep, drones, the defense and smartphone, iPad, recent defense and mobile marketing. Smartphone use tend to find of contain that is the most relevant in iPad, trained and capable by integrative the advertising, the picture and media persons, why the eye-catching image that is contained and successfully. The mobile marketing versus traditional marketing. Very important point this mobile marketing and traditional marketing. The unlock traditional marketing effort is the mobile marketing trade the advertise on the fact many use a mobile device, carry them the around wheel of the go as the research the technology. The local based service can call and customer data and them offer opportunity deals the promoted by the from Exin and this the store the place tracks and visitor your consumer your consumer. This is the marketing campaign can be more targeted and specific to that invoice are sold there are hope effect the campaign doing the marketing. One of explain maybe marketing campaign that send food the related crop or crossing there are the cones and might help in successfully marketing. The advertising advanced and de-advanced or mobile advertising very important part. Advanced and de-advanced of mobile marketing, advanced and de-advanced in mobile marketing advertising in the readings in the recording to online relation advertising. Mobile marketing is such too easy need to high reliable technology and signification techniques experience and get then messages and success in mobile marketing. Mobile marketing also extend is a cost effective. There are valuable point in choose the from budget in the impact that is can who contain the choose and common and social media much and kept and part in television. Customer can be also read the time to time mobile make on the matters when your radio television market online who is the customer and there's the television has in the radio the traditional marketing the advance there are primary and issues the content is the data collect my mobile device use and when campaign the right and collect and search data will expense in the such data is because the identify there are sent spam and better warning where this the proven in information also tracking an individual location and that the many custom and crosses some. A potential drop mobile marketing is the potential increase the customer and the in campaign details used to videos that require significant amount of data use does not have an unlimited data plan. It may either monthly data always requires change the grow on your allowance. Mobile marketing also needs the perfect and attest as you have small action, space and various campaign. And the company's campaign their attention for mobile for mobile marketing pulse in graphs have root or the base perfect the pro and cons easy setup and minutes pro effective and real and coins and database and possible and etc. How those to start a mobile marketing business set up a mobile. People use smartphone for long almost everything day by day, so it is important that your website and front and correctly for using on the smartphone. If you have extend web many campaign your amount system in conversion extend web barriers. One a mobile platform WordPress and GoDaddy there are get extend a lot of these to this. Where the companies also create and complain a new version and website and video in sync. Set up your business and local based platform setting up your business the version local location based platform search and frequency go over and the Facebook platforms Twitter and etc social media platform business able to wait the range the people that start running mobile ads campaign. Focus the base and point there as who are campaign you can the promote search and the discover meeting creating neighbor visitor and the mobile apps. Very important past the videos last step the start a mobile ad campaign. Start a mobile ad campaign once your website is a step for mobile device viewers and the understood how to the mobile ad marketing world work. It is the to set up on the your business mobile as campaign can your electronics business great views. We have escaping that is the graph and the someone says better because many you won't make sure that is the business pop your charge that your various mobile marketing campaign can be paid. This is the flatum running you can creating and frozen mobile marketing cost per click and cost per thoughts. The cost per quick the basic Facebook Google apply Instagram add this social platform all over there's the interesting campaign but very important the Google and Facebook. Explain of mobile marketing for the generator and mobile marketing companies and development in case that is same the fertilized in relation identify mobile utilized displays. Friends, thank you very important points and my presentation my videos how to mobile marketing definition, how to work and explain, and what is the mobile marketing and how to mobile marketing work, and mobile marketing versus traditional marketing, mobile marketing advertising and the advance and mobile marketing, and that's how to start a mobile marketing and set up your business and location based platform and start a mobile marketing ad campaign. Thank you, my friend. I am short times, my 10 minutes videos making. I get present in very important topics and important points on mobile marketing and mobile marketing advanced, the advanced, and mobile marketing versus traditional marketing. Thank you. Best of luck. Please subscribe my channel.